everyone, you know that sound, the one that means the next few hours of your life are no longer yours. It always comes at the worst possible moment, when you've finally fallen asleep, or just sat down to eat, or you are already mentally on the weekend. The alert sound, prod is down. You open your laptop. Slack is a war zone. The CTO has already joined the Zoom call, and the scariest part, he is silent. And every minute of downtime is costing the business real money. Welcome to the bomb squad. Which wire are you cutting? The database? The cache? Or that pull request that Junior merged 10 minutes ago? You've got 10 million lines of logs, 45 open tabs, and 50 microservices. You're jumping between Datadog, CloudWatch, and GitHub, trying to figure out, is it the CPU, the network, a deploy, and how are they even connected? You want to just restart the pods. The classic turn it off and on again. But you know, one wrong move, and instead of one service down, you will have 10. We are trying to diffuse machine-level complexity with our bare hands, and that's a losing battle. But what if you didn't have to guess? What if you had a partner on the bomb squad? One that never sleeps, never panics, and reads a million lines of code per second. It's called AI SRE, AI that helps you investigate and fix incidents. Today, we are talking about Rootly. And no, nobody's handing AI the keys to the kingdom, but more on that later. So what can this partner actually do? Think of it this way. Back in the day, when something broke, you could find the engineer who wrote the code and they'd explain what went wrong. Today, half the code was written by AI, the other half by someone who left 2 years ago. Nobody fully understands what's running in prod anymore. That's where the AI SRE comes in. First, it already knows your system. It has ingested all your incident reports, your knowledge base, your Slack resolution channels, your IAC, and your code. That's the foundation it works from before anything even breaks. Then, when an alert fires, it pulls in fresh context, telemetry, metrics, recent commits, and deploys. It connects the dots and gives you an answer. And it doesn't just say, something broke. It shows you its chain of reasoning, what it found, where it looked, and why it reached that conclusion. And once the incident is resolved, it writes the incident report for you with a full timeline and context. No more hours of painful documentation. And yes, this isn't some garage startup. Rootly is used by teams at NVIDIA, Canva, and Webflow. Okay, but let's be honest. You are sitting there thinking, sounds great, but I'm not ready to give AI access to everything at once. And that's fair. We are all a little paranoid. Rootly knows that. So you don't start with automation, you start with observation. It just watches and gives you hints, like a colleague sitting next to you saying, hey, looks like it might be this. Next, advisor mode. Now it suggests specific steps. Roll back this deploy. Here is why. Then, approval mode. It prepares the fix, but does nothing until you press the button. And only at level 4, autonomy. And even then, strictly within the rules you set yourself. So instead of jumping between 45 tabs and staring at logs until your eyes hurt, you focus on what matters, the fix, and AI handles the rest. We all need a partner who's got our back. And if you are worried about your data, it's only used for training your AI SRE. And you can bring your own API key. Full control stays with you. just the way we like it. You don't have to learn to live with that panic anymore. Yes, alerts will keep coming. Yes, microservices will keep going down, but you won't have to diffuse them with your bare hands. So sleep tight, finish your dinner, and go enjoy your weekend. Link to Rootly is in the description. Like, subscribe, and if you want to share your scariest on-call story, come hang out in the Discord. See you soon!